Hello friends, this is Vishal and welcome back to my channel College World. In our today's video, I will tell you 5 tips. If you follow those 5 tips, you will definitely get 10 by 10 in 10th class board exams. Even a poor student, average student or a topper will also get 10 by 10 if you follow these 5 tips. So without getting late, let's get started. So first tip is listen to classes carefully. This is the most important thing. If you want to get 10 by 10, listen to the classes carefully. If you do this thing, your 75% of the work will be completed. As we have CCA pattern, without even reading, you can write exams in your schools like FS and SS. So listen, understand classes. If your teachers are not good, you can also watch YouTube videos or you can take the help of apps like Byju's, etc. Make sure you have a good command over the subject. Don't think that teacher is teaching a chapter. Just think that our teacher is telling a new interesting thing and just enjoy the class. If you understand well, your 75% of the task is completed. Without any hard work, just by sitting and listening to the class, our 75% of the work will be completed and you can get 10 by 10 in 10th class board exams. Isn't it simple? So when we come to tip number 2 is buy a standard guide for all subjects. I have studied a guide called Beyond Textbook. You can take any other guide also. Don't read all the questions and answers from the guide. This is what all the fools do. It is good to know all the questions and answers, but it requires more time and more hard work. And it is not essential also. Instead of doing this, I will give you a short trick. If you follow this, you can cover every chapter and you will get good marks. For every chapter, there will be 2 to 4 important questions. From that only, you will get questions in exam. So, only read those selected questions for each chapter in each subject. This is called smart work. Don't do hard work, just work smartly. By doing this, simply we can score good marks. Simply, I want to tell my story. There was a student in our class who used to study 10 hours daily and all the questions and answers in the guide. But I used to study only 1 to 2 hours and only selected answers. And I got more points in 10th class than him or her. For students, those who don't have guides, write answers by searching answers in textbook or by asking your teachers, or if your friend have guide, copy from that. And one more important thing I want to say is read all 1 mark questions from each and every chapter of each and every subject. Don't leave 1 mark questions. Okay? By doing this, your 95% of work will be completed. Next, fourth tip is take your FA exams and SA exams very seriously and prepare and write it very well. This will help you at the finals. And don't be having any burden and tension while writing final exams or before 1 month of final exams. As you practice in exams only, you will not feel that much stress. Private schools give 120 by 120 in internals. Most of the students neglect the FA exams. So don't neglect those exams. Those are most important exams. The fifth tip is complete your syllabus with before 2 months. and revise your syllabus how many times you want, and write your pre-finals. Think it is as your final exams and write it. If you find any loopholes, you fill that loopholes. Third important tip: practice languages very well. Practice languages like Telugu, Hindi, and English. Try writing answers without mistakes. If you are good in this, then 100% you will get 10 points. Because if you get chits for languages also, you will write mistakes in exams. Other subjects, that is not the case. So, writing answers without any mistakes in both three languages. When we come to maths, just practice daily. Don't neglect. It gets more easy if you practice daily. If you find some chapters very hard, like trigonometry or similar triangles, then leave it. No problem, leave it. You will not get maximum sums from that chapter. If you get also, you will get in extra answers. Just read previous question papers and prepare according to that for mathematics. And in social, practice maps is most important thing. Because of this only many students are getting 9.8 instead of getting 10 points. So this is the most important. Please practice maps. Mainly world map, only practice those countries which are in news or which are very important. And India map also you should take a look. So this is all about social. And last tip is last not but the least. Along with the studies, enjoy your 10th class because you won't get school friends and school days back in your life later. So, this is also the thing. Don't just be a bookworm. Be with your friends, enjoy your 10th class, and follow these 5 tips. If you follow this, you will definitely get 10 by 10 in your 10th class exams. Share this video to all your friends who think they can't get past in 10th class. All your friends who are average, above average students. These tips will definitely help you get 10 by 10. Follow this rule, follow these tips, and become a topper. And share, like this video if you like it. Subscribe to get further notifications about further details about any exams or any success stories or any study related doubts. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment box given below. Okay, until then, this is Vishal signing off. Bye bye.